Alright, we've spoken about the gist of inequalities, okay, but we haven't really spoken about number lines, okay. Now, a number line can be used to illustrate the solutions of linear inequalities. So let's say if you have x is less than 3. Okay, now you've got a number line. Say it is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we say that x is less than 3, we put a circle above 3, and the arrow extends westwards on the number line. Okay, this circle means it does not include number 3. Alright, please bear this in mind. Okay, now if another example, let's say if we have x greater than 1, how do we represent this on a number line? So this is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, once again we put a circle, and this extends towards the right. That means it goes on infinitely. Alright, now in the case where if you get x is greater or equals to 5, what do we do? Same, draw a number line, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now instead of putting a circle, we put a colored dot here, okay, that represents that it includes 5, because it can be greater than 5. X can be greater than 5 or equal to 5. Okay, so we circle it like that. So let it extend eastwards. So this is x greater than or equal to 5. Let's say x is greater than or equal to 1. So this is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, because of the equal sign here, greater than or equal to 1, we let it extend towards the right.